The living room is the most prominent place in a house for the entertainment of guests, and where families meet up to end their day, relax after a long work week, or to enjoy a television program together. As a rule, this room is on the principal level of a home and sees a considerable measure of activity. There is nothing more welcoming for guests in your home than cozy living room. Whether you're relaxing or entertaining, these decorating ideas will create a warm and inviting living room, year-round. So we gathered the best cozy modern living room design ideas to enhance your living room into a warm and beautiful place for your family and guests. Check out these cozy living room designs ideas. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern living room design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When it comes to living room decorating, there are many styles one can choose from. There are hundreds, if not thousands of options in terms of carpet alone. Maybe you want to go with hardwood, or be adventurous, and try stained concrete. Whatever the case, each element of a living room goes into the overall living room decorating plan that is set in motion when one moves into a home, or renovates his or her living room. The basics of living room decorating ideas are simple: wall covering, floor covering, and furnishings. In these three areas, you want to keep things neutral and comfortable so they will be long-lasting and always in style. Get trendy in other areas of the room, like storage and lighting, basically, with things that won't be too expensive to replace when you get tired of them. Living rooms cater for many needs. They are for relaxing and socializing, listening to music and entertaining. They can also be used for eating and drinking, and most commonly used for watching TV and playing. To be able to watch live TV, the living room needs to have a TV aerial fitted somewhere in the home. If the house doesn't have an aerial, it won't be able to get any signal. Modern living room design tries to cater for the whole range of activities, and making the most of the space we have often becomes a top priority when thinking about decorating and furnishing the room. The trend in modern living rooms is for a more open design, yet with a touch of luxury. You need to look carefully at the quality of natural light in the room and how to supplement it with additional light sources. You can control the level of natural light with shutters and blinds. Wooden furniture with a natural finish is a good choice, as it tends to lend a light and airy aspect to the furnishings, as well as giving some much needed warmth and character. If you want your living space to be as meticulously planned and have the end result look luxurious and classy, then you may want to look for an interior design firm that can do this for you, as it can be hard to achieve the desired results by yourself. Designers and bloggers alike can be talking about modern design all they want, but if you don't feel entirely comfortable, there's no value in adding it to your home. A classic neutral color scheme, paired with some modern-looking furniture pieces, can give you that transitional look and still provide you with enough wow factor. Adding an accent pop of colors can bring a classic space to a more modern-looking living room without changing too much about the room. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked collection of modern living room design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.